Hello, this is Kunal, roll number 37. I have made a project on social distancing with my mates Deepraj and Himanshu with roll number 26 and 34 respectively. In the modern world, many are suffering from the virus, and you can be the one who might get trapped into it if you don't follow the certain precautions like wearing masks, sanitizing your hands, and maintaining proper social distancing. Out of three major concerns, we have primarily focused on the social distancing. Now, if you're walking from the front side, you can take care of the social distancing between the two personalities. But what about from back side? It's too difficult to maintain the same from back. So in our device you can just wear that out on the back and it will help you if somebody is crossing the limit such that it buzzes and triggers the person to stop and remind him her to maintain the social distancing. Now we will explain the different components that we are using in our device.
Hello, I am Himanshu Gupta, roll number UE199034. I am going to explain something about our components of our projects, such as Arduino, battery, ultrasonic sensor, and buzzer. Arduino. It is an open source electronic prototyping platform which enable users to create interactive electronic objects. This platform based on easy to use hardware and software. Arduino boards are able to read inputs like light on a sensor, a finger on a button, or a Twitter message and turn it into an output by activating a motor, turning an LED, publishing something online. You can tell your board what to do by sending a set of instructions to the microcontroller on the board. Second is battery. We use the battery to power up Arduino. We have to use for powering the battery between 7 volt to 12 volt. We have used here 9 volt battery for powering the Arduino. Third is ultrasonic sensor. It is an electronic device that measures the distance of a target object by emitting ultrasonic sound waves and converts the reflected sound into an electrical signal. So, we have used ultrasonic sensor of 100 centimeter range. As for social distancing, we have to maintain 1 meter range from human beings. Fourth, buzzer. A buzzer is an Arduino signaling device which may be mechanical, electromechanical, or piezoelectric. Typical uses of buzzers and beepers include alarm devices, timers, and confirmation of user input such as a mouse click or a keystone. We have used here buzzer for as a alarm. As a alarm device, we have used here. It gives signals by beeping, and we will able to know that something is interrupting in our range, 1 meter range. Now, cost of different components. The different components that we are going to use and their respective costs. Ultrasonic module SCSR04 115 rupees, mini buzzer 15 rupees, battery 7 to 12 volt 30 rupees, Arduino Uno 375 rupees. So total cost will be 610 to 660 rupees, and this cost can be carried by a normal person. So now we are going to explain about our circuit. This is the pictures on Tinkercad of our circuit. This is, and now the coding section. Our coding was not much of a problem to us at first. Write the serial begin function which exchanges values 9600 bytes per second, and all the code in this word setup area will run only once. Now we go to the word loop section where the code runs in a loop. In simple English, what this section of code does it will make the buzzer beep as soon as the sensor detects any human in the range of 100 cm or 1 meter. Now this is our project pictures. As we can see here the ultrasonic sensor. In the second picture you can see with the clamp, it is the back side of the project. With that clamp we can attach it with the belt. Now we will show the video of our project.
This is the device. Now we connect the battery and connected, and now as we move in range of 1 meter it starts beeping. See, again we move, it stops. Yes.